Welcome back. I forgot the script. Welcome back. If you want to have onion like this one or like this one, you need to plant your onion seeds now, with around 1 month before the first frost. First, let's prepare the raised bed for next year. We will rake the raised bed to remove any large roots and weeds from this year's harvest. We add some minerals and plants food designed for root vegetables like onion, carrots and potato. Much easier. Next, we will mix in we fill the raised bed with peat compost because it's keeping the soil moist but not too heavy and help the roots to grow big and strong. We are mixing the new compost with the old one to encourage the worms to come up. Make sure you break the big chunks. We bought these onion seeds from Dobbies. We have 3 different kinds: white, red and brown, and we will plant each kind separate on the 3 centimeters holes at 1 hand distance between. I show you the spaces between onions before we plant much deeper. So, time to plant. Now we cover with compost. And the last step is to put water everywhere. And now I think it's done. It's looking pretty wet. That's it. For all the harvest we need to wait until next year in June. Please subscribe for all updates about our onion, like, comment and bye! See you next time!